Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Social Security Benefits. We hope you are doing great. Great news, the bill has passed approving a $2,800 increase for Social Security, SSI, SSDI and BA seniors. After years of advocacy and political debates, a significant victory has been achieved for millions relying on our federal benefits. Congress has approved a landmark $2,800 annual increase for the Social Security Supplemental Security Income, Social Security Disability Insurance and Veteran Affairs Disability Recipients. This legislation aims to alleviate a financial strain for those struggling with rising living costs, providing essential relief to retirees and individuals with disabilities who have faced stagnant benefit amounts against inflation. The approved increase will notably impact Social Security recipients whose average monthly benefit of around $1,670 in 2023 has been insufficient to cover essential expenses. This boost promises a lifeline amid economic challenges, offering a breathing room for those on a fixed income. Similarly, SSI and SSDI beneficiaries with an average monthly payment of $624 in 2023 will see a welcome improvement, easily poverty traps and supporting overall well-being. For veterans relying on a VA disability benefits, the $2,800 increase acknowledges their sacrifice and addresses concern about inadequate compassions for rising living and medical costs. This recognizing aims to enhance economic security and access to critical resources, affirming gratitude for their service. Beyond immediate financial impact, this increase is expected to stimulate a broader economic growth through increased consumer spending, benefiting local businesses and communities. Furthermore, it underscores a societal commitment to dignity and worth for individuals of all ages and circumstances, emphasizing economic justice and security as essential values. However, while this victory signifies a progress, sustained efforts are crucial to safeguard and strengthen these vital programs. Amidst evolving societal needs, future advocacy must prioritize streamlined processes, benefit adjustment aligned with rising costs, and holistic support, integrating a housing, employment, and healthcare initiative. In essence, this $2,800 increase reflects a collective commitment to upholding justice, equity, and compassion within our social safety net. It marks a significant step towards economic security, but underscores the ongoing journey towards a comprehensive support and dignity for all vulnerable population in our society. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in next episode. Till then, take care.